Hello viewers, welcome to the YouTube channel Roshni with Hina. Today I will discuss the topic computer hardware maintenance. Computer hardware maintenance is essential to ensure the smooth and reliable operation of your computer. Here's an overview of basic maintenance tasks including cleaning, upgrading components like RAM, and troubleshooting common hardware issues. Cleaning. Dust removal dust can accumulate inside your computer, leading to overheating and decreased performance. Use compressed air to clean the internal components, especially the fans and heat sinks. Screen cleaning. Uh, Clean the monitor or screen using a soft lint-free cloth. Avoid using abrasive materials or harsh chemicals that can damage the display. Understanding RAM, random access memory. Identify compatibility, check your computer's significations, and ensure the new RAM module is compatible with your system. Static electricity precautions. Before handling RAM. Ground your cells to prevent static discharge, which can damage components. Inserting RAM, install the RAM module in the appropriate slot, making sure it's properly seated. Follow your computer's user manual for guidance. Troubleshooting common hardware issues. No power. If your computer doesn't turn on, check the power source, power cables, and the power button. Ensure the power supply is working. Slow performance. Slow performance can result from various issues, such as insufficient RAM, too many background processes, or a full hard drive. Address these issues to improve performance. Overheating. Overheating can cause system crash and damage components. Ensure that fans are working correctly, clean the inside of your computer, and consider adding additional cooling if necessary. Blue screen of death, BSOD. BSOD errors can indicate hardware or software problems. Analyze the error code and message to diagnose the issue and consider updating drivers or checking for faulty hardware. Hardware compatibility issues. If you have recently added new hardware, ensure it's compatible with your system and that drivers are up to date. Peripheral problems. If like the keyboard, mouse, or external drivers are not working, connections and drivers, test them on another computer or isolate the issue. Backup data. Regularly backup your data to an external drive or a cloud service. This safeguards your files in case of hardware failures or data corruptions. Software updates. Keep your operating systems and drivers up to date. Manufacturers often release updates to improve performance and security. Antivirus and malware scans. Run regular scans to detect and remove viruses and malware that can harm your hardware and data. Hardware monitoring. Install hardware monitoring software to keep track of components' temperatures, fan speeds, and other vital system information. This can help you detect potential issues early. Professional help. If you encounter complex hardware problems or uncomfortable performing maintenance or upgrades, consider seeking professional assistance from a technicians or computer repair services. Thank you for exploring computer hardware maintenance with me today. Thank you for choosing Roshni with Hina channel. Kindly share, like, and subscribe.